In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide rulers on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath Image Windows and select Appearance. And then on the right side, there should be something that says Show Rulers underneath Normal Mode. Go ahead and check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference. And the same thing underneath Full Screen Mode. Either if you want to hide or show the rulers, select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.